Hello grade 10. So this is the part 2 of video about factoring polynomials. So using the grouping. So nandito na tayo. So without further ado, let's begin. How do we factor polynomials by using a grouping method? Okay, so on this method, ginagroup natin yung polynomials natin based dun sa kanilang mga common factor sa bawat terms. Like on this one, sa number 1, if we have x squared plus 4x minus 5x minus 20, pwede natin i-group to into 2. Pwede natin paghiwalayin si x squared plus 4x and si negative 5x minus 20. So let's say, ito yung magiging group 1 natin and this one will be our group 2. So kunin natin yung factored form nung bawat group. So, si x squared plus 4x, ano ba yung factored form niya? Kung babalikan natin si GCF and the common monomial factor, kung paano kinukuha yung factored form nito. So, si x squared plus 4x, meron silang common factor, which is yung x. Right? And x squared divides x, that is x. And 4x divides x, that is positive 4. Then, si negative 5x minus 20, they have a common factor which is negative 5. So, si negative 5 siya yung nasa labas. And negative 5x divides negative 5, that is x. And negative 20 divides negative 5, that is positive 4. And from that, we have here the factored form x times x plus 4 minus 5 times x plus 4. On this part, kapag nakita natin na merong parehong factor, which is yung x plus 4, pag-iisahin natin yung pagsulat natin sa kanya. Okay? So, that will become x plus 4 na lang. Isa na lang siya. And si x minus 5, pagsasamahin natin into 1 or into binomial. So that will become x minus 5. Therefore, the factored form of x squared plus 4x minus 5x minus 20 is equal to x plus 4 times x minus 5. Alright? So, to check our answer, simplify natin yung polynomials natin na to. Diba, yung 4x minus 5x, kapag sinimplify, that is negative x, right? So that will become x squared minus x minus 20 or minus 1x. Yan. Or pag 1 kasi yung coefficient din na natin nilalagay. So that is x squared minus x minus 20. Ngayon, to check our answer if it is correct, we have to apply the FOIL method. Okay? FOIL method means first term to first term. X times x, that is x squared. The outer, yung pareho nasa dulo. X times negative 5. So, that is negative 5x. Then, si inner, siya yung nasa gitna. 4 times x, that is 4x. And the last term, that is x times, positive 4 times negative 5, that is negative 20. And rewrite lang natin yung FOIL method natin. So that is x squared minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. And to simplify, our answer is x squared negative 5x plus 4x, that is negative x minus 20. So, babalik tayo sa ating original na polynomials. Nakuha ba? So, let's have another example using the grouping method. Okay, so if you have x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 20, again, i-group natin into 2 yung ating polynomial. So, si x squared minus 2x squared, pag-iisahin natin, and si 5x minus 20. So, si x cubed minus 2x squared, ang factor form niya, ano ba yung common factor sa kanila? So, that is x squared times x cubed divides x squared, that is x, and negative 2x squared divides x squared, that is negative 2. And si 5x minus 10, kapag kinuha natin yung factored form nito, that is, the common factor is 5. So that is 5x divides 5, that is x, and negative 10 divides 5, that is negative 2. So our factored form is x squared times x minus 2 plus 5 times x minus 2. Again, kung mapapansin natin, merong iisa lang yung x minus, meron dalawang x minus 2. So, pag-iisahin na lang natin siya. So, ang pagsulat sa kanya, that is x minus 2 times x squared plus 5. Saan nanggaling sa x squared plus 5? Dito sa dalawa. Okay, pinag-isa na lang natin siya. Nakuha ba? Therefore, the factored form is x minus 2 times x squared plus 5. Okay, so you can check our answer by using the FIL method, but you will arrive with the same answer, which is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 10. Okay, third example, if we have 3x cubed minus 12x plus 7x minus 28, group natin into 2 yung ating polynomials. So, pwede natin pagsamahin si 3x cubed minus 12x and si 7x minus 28. So, kunin yung factor ng dalawa. Si 3x cubed minus 12x, ano ba yung common factor nila? So, that is 3x, right? So, si 3x, siya yung nasa labas. So, that is 3x. And divide lang natin yung bawat term kay 3x. So, 3x cubed divides 3x, that is x squared. And negative 12x divides 3x, that is negative 4x, right? Yeah. And si 7x minus 28, it can be simplified as, ano ba yung common factor nila? That is 7. So, 7x divides 7, that is x. And negative 28 divides 7, that is negative 4. Yeah. So, our answer is, we can still simplify the x squared minus 4x on this part. So, that is x squared minus 4x. That is x times x minus 4. So, it will become, yes, baba lang natin yung mga given natin. So, that is 3x times x minus 4 plus 7 times x minus 4. So, the factored form is, how are we going to write this one? Gets ka na. So, 3x times x, that is 3x squared. So, wag iwan natin si x minus 4. Okay? So, that is times x minus 4 plus 7 times x minus 4. So, as you notice, meron na tayo. Ang goal kasi natin, magkaroon sila ng similar factor or the common factor. So, naiwan pag-iisahin na lang natin yung x minus 4. And si 3x squared plus 7, pagsamahin natin. So, yan. The common factor is x minus 4 times 3x squared plus 7. And we can check our answer if it is correct by using the FIL method. So, x times 3x squared, that is 3x cubed. Last term, negative 4 times 7 is negative 28. Negative 4 times 3x squared, that is negative 12x squared. And 7 times x, that is 7x. Oh, I see. It should be 3x cubed minus 12x squared plus 7x minus 28. I think, yeah. Yeah. So, yan. Let's cut this video.